Today, we'll review the itel S25, a feature-packed smartphone offering an impressive balance of design, performance, and innovation. Let's dive into its detailed specifications and features. Body and build quality. Starting with the body, the itel S25 features a slim profile with a thickness of just 7.3 millimeters. It's lightweight, weighing only 185 grams, making it highly portable and easy to carry. Additionally, it comes with an IP54 rating, offering resistance against dust and water. The phone boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, providing vibrant colors and deep blacks. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the display also excels in brightness, offering 1200 nits (HBM) for clear visibility in daylight and a peak brightness of 1800 nits. Moreover, the phone includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, ensuring secure and quick access. Colors. The itel S25 is available in 3 stunning colors: Bromo Black, Mambo Mint, Sahara Gleam. These options add a touch of elegance and variety to suit different tastes. Battery powering the device is a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage. It supports 18-watt wired charging and bypass charging, making it convenient to charge the phone efficiently. Have cameras. For photography enthusiasts, the itel S25 comes with a 50-megapixel wide main camera with an aperture of f1.6 and 0.64mm pixel size, ensuring detailed and sharp photos. Video recording capabilities include 1440p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f2.2 and a 22mm wide lens. This ensures clear and vibrant selfies. Like the rear camera, it supports video recording at 440p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps. The itel S25 runs on Android 14 and promises 2 major Android upgrades, along with the custom itel OS 14.5. It's powered by the Unisoc T620 chipset built on a 12nm process, memory and storage. The phone comes with multiple configurations to cater to various needs: 128 storage with 6GB RAM, 128GB storage with 8GB RAM. It also supports dual nano SIM cards. However, the details about expandable storage through a card slot remain unspecified. Connectivity. The itel S25 provides excellent connectivity features, including NFC support, an infrared port, a 3.5mm audio jack for wired headphones, a USB Type-C 2.0 port. The itel S25 combines sleek design, a high-quality AMOLED display, reliable performance, and versatile camera features, making it a strong contender in its category. Whether you're a casual user or someone who loves exploring technology, this phone has something for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this.